After our last struggle with the pump, today we brought in the foodies, or do we call them technicians, to help us fix the small problem. We started by showing them all the holes where water was leaking. As you can see, these small holes may not look serious, but when pressure builds up, they waste a lot of water and reduce the strength of the pump. The fundis got to work right away using their machine to seal each hole. This process takes patience. They heat, press, and cover the holes so that the pipe can hold pressure again. For the next few minutes, it was all hands on deck as they moved along the pipe, carefully checking one hole after another. Eh.
Tienen de hoy.
Once all the visible leaks were sealed, our team went through the pipe again, making sure no holes were missed. With everything checked, we carried the pipe back to the river to test the pump. This step is very important. You don't want to set up everything only to realize the problem is still there. The pump was quickly reassembled and prepared for testing. As you can see, the fundis are also eagerly waiting to see the testing process. But as soon as the engine started, heavy smoke came from the exhaust, a clear sign our pump needs servicing, maybe an oil change, and still we had to test the water flow first.
To malo gichopo timango. O wanaangalia malimaji menini. Dongi neno gimomiyo nadwa ni gibed ka. Hii ni kubwa. In fact, on at least
The pressure looked good at first, but soon we noticed a strong leak at one point. Not even one point. How many have you spotted? Water was pouring out fast. I even used it to wash my hands and legs. That confirmed it. Some spots still needed attention. The fundis had no option but to go back to work fixing the stubborn leaks. We marked the exact spots, making their job easier. With their machine, they sealed one hole after another while we walked along the pipe searching for any more trouble points. It was a team effort. No one wanted to leave any leak behind. After several checks, we were finally satisfied. The pipe was rolled and packed away for the next day's use. Of course, this was only a temporary fix, but at least it gives us another chance to water our farm as we plan for a full servicing of the pump. Every challenge is a lesson. Today, we learned that maintenance is key, not only fixing leaks but also servicing the pump to avoid smoke and breakdowns. Tomorrow, we'll see how well this temporary fix holds up in the field. See you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time.